Hello again. This is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery, and I'm using that to focus my camera on. This is a 14 by 14 inch canvas that I've added some white satin latex paint from Sherwin. I want to do a three-corner deconstructed bloom. And I may put some foliage-esque things into the between them. This is Quinacridone Nickel Laser Gold by Golden. That was that was Indian Spice Gold. This is Jasmine, a primary element from Colourarte. I'm going to switch that around a little bit. I'm going to use a little bit of Plum Blossom, which is a primary element also. Hard squeeze. I've got some Tempting Tulip, another primary element. Looks like I'm using a lot of primary elements today. I'm very tempted by the Magic Slippers, which is new from the Fairy Tales primary elements. See how it looks in there. And I've also got some Burmese Red from the Fairy Tales. I'm going to use some Prizm Pour, which is saffron. I'm also going to grab some Sour Lemon. It has some Orange Crush in it. Both of those are Prizm Pours. And then I'm going to start in between. I'm going to use some Royal Sapphire. I don't think I'm going to get to keep anything that's high up, but I might give it a shot anyway. Here's some Sparkling Aqua. I believe that's a Prizm Pour. It's not coming out right. Whoop, it's coming out now. And I've got some Sea Glass. I love this color. And I'm going to bring in some Fandango. Sea Glass is, I believe, a Prizm Pour, but you should check and see if you like that color. I'm going to throw in just a little bit of Deep Amethyst. I like some dark, my light. Here's the Fandango. I'm being called to add some saffron in here, even if it's just a little bit. And there. Okay, I've got everything but the wintergreen, and I want a little bit of wintergreen. Another Prizm Pour. I kind of want to go back again and add some more of the Royal Sapphire, but I think what I'm going to do is instead is utilize some Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green. I've got some Aubergine. Which is a gorgeous color purple. I think I've used enough colors. Now we will try and get started with Black Cell Activator. Sometimes I use black and white. Might have to take a break. Really like the lacing. That's why I want so many blooms. I would attempt to use the blow dryer or the world's smallest blower. It just doesn't really give the same effect to me. Okay, now I'm going to try and catch my breath and not fall over. I've got the thick end of a smaller skewer. I was dragging something. I keep threatening with basting brush, but I haven't really got the nerve yet. They're pretty like they are. I'm afraid I'm going to lose almost everything that's cool. I think in that case I'm going to add some more cell activator right there because that'll be closer to the center. And I'll get to at least keep that. Try and vary my strokes. It's hard not to just do spirals. It is. I should clean off my wrecking tool once in a while so it doesn't become, what's a good word for that? Encased? I'm hoping I'm not blocking everything. Yeah, I am going back in and adding a few spirals. Right down to almost to the place where we can start spinning. So I should tell you guys, I do sell my artwork. I need to. I'd like to. I do give classes at the House in Spring Hill, Florida. I got a couple of them coming up. I just had one and I've got another one soon. We have a ball, by the way. Okay, so that's that. Now it's time to make sure I have clearance to the back. Pull in my barrier. Spin once or twice, check to see what I might want to do. Check that I'm in alignment with everything that I want. I want that to be in the center of each arm. And I want to pop that one bubble that's bugging me. Go away. That's the back wall. thought about doing a wreath shape. I guess I could if I was willing to go a lot smaller on the amount of paint I use. I wonder if the blooms are too even. And my turntable's decided to be squeaky today, so I'm going to have to look into that pretty quick. And I'm kind of seeing a place where I might want to put a bloom. But fortunately, that doesn't actually matter. Yeah, I lost all my good paint up here. I said I would check, and then I did not. That would be the place if I was going to put one. Right here. But that might also be taking away negative space. I could put a couple small blooms in. I really just want to use the paint I've got, to tell you the truth. This paint over here. But I'll put that in my leftovers dish. So, do I put a bloom in? I guess I do. I'm going to try and make it small. That was the jasmine. And that's the Nicolazo Gold, Quinacridone Nicolazo Gold. This is the Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green. Yeah, I dripped. I'm going to try the straw. I like that. I don't think I did any harm at all with that. Maybe I should have another one. I'm a little concerned with the Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green. I'm kind of thinking, do I really want to do that? I am going to use the saffron this time. And I'm going to go really small. And I might need one more flower. And I'm kind of totally wishing that my straw wasn't spitty. Not as pretty as the other one. Trying to tidy it up. Maybe it's still pretty cool. One more flower. Just 3. And I'll try the straw again, because it was so much tidier the last time. Yeah, that works a lot nicer. The straw. I'm surprised. So just 3 flowers. I could keep going. I do see that I've got a speck of something in my paint. And it's pretty simple as far as flowers go. I want more. I'm not going to do more though. I'm going to be good. 3 is enough. And pulling out whatever that is would be great. Alright, it's time for me to shimmer this at you. Tell you thank you for the donations through PayPal. The icon's on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. I better get up on my stool and zoom the camera in. If I've got any uncovered edges, I'm going to do that. It's pretty. I like it. Let's see if I can zoom in and shimmer. This might be tough. And my camera battery wants to die. Alright, so I love you guys. I hope you come again. I post at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm thinking about changing to just a few days a week. So if I'm not every day, you'll understand what happened. I do sell my artwork. I think I mentioned that. My email address, should you want to reach me in that regard, is easpbgallery and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I also give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. When you share my videos, you help me out. Your comments keep my morale boosted, so thank you so much for your kind words and your encouragement. And thank you for visiting my community board to see what tomorrow's video is. It's at 10:15 a.m. I think I said that at Eastern Standard Time. Questions are welcome and encouraged. I have a link tree and a 20% off Colourarte coupon code and a 10% off Pixel Paint Designs coupon code. On the link tree you'll find a couple of websites: Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group, Society 6, Legalist. What am I forgetting? I don't know. My Amazon link has 2 books on it. My 2 books. Volumes 1 and 2 are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. They're the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. And tutorials for fluid art. And I'm forgetting everything. My email address, I told you, is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. And Spring Clothing, Society 6, Legalist, Pixels.com, Fine in America. If you would like to have something added to their merchandise there, that's a bubble. Just ask me, and I will be happy to do that. Every little bit helps. And I appreciate the memberships. For those of you who have joined, thank you so much. There's over 110 videos in the members library. And for those of you who donate through PayPal, just know you guys are keeping me here. You help me with purchasing art supplies. I really appreciate that too. Alright, so I love you guys. Whatever I've forgotten, you'll see in another video. I'm going to say goodbye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery. And I hope to see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.